Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be doing makeup for work, church and school. Alright, so if you're like me, you want something natural, you don't want the volume lashes, the harsh contour, no glitter, no, you want something natural. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so first off, I'll be starting with priming my skin. And the primer that I'll be using, I haven't used it in a while, but I know it's good because I used it before. So this is the Black Opal Invisible Oil Mattifying Primer. It looks like this. It comes in a very small tube. And I'm also going to prime using my Dr. Brand 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream. That looks like this. Alright, so these are the two products I'm going to be using as base. One, because I have oily skin, so I'm using that Black Opal mattifying cream, and I'm using the eye cream because I don't want under my eyes to look dry, because under my eyes are extremely dry. So let's prime. Now that I've primed my skin, I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier translucent deep setting powder. This is my favorite setting powder, and I'm just going to set the areas that I usually get very oily throughout the day. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with my foundation. I would usually do my brows first. Like, if you have watched my makeup videos before, you know I always get with my brows, but today I'm going to go straight in with my foundation. Now the foundation that I'll be using is this. This is the Revlon Color Stay 24-hour foundation. It's really good. See there, mine almost finished, so I'm gonna have to scrape it out. And this is good for every day because it's very inexpensive, very inexpensive. And so yeah, you can use it every day. I mean, if you are a high-end makeup person, then by all means use your Huda Beauty and use your Fenty and all of that, but I prefer to use drugstore foundations. They're really good. Like, drugstore comes up with some really good foundations all the time, so I don't mind using a drugstore foundation. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with my brush. And this makeup is full coverage, 24 hours, girl. Full coverage and 24 hours. You don't need more than that. So I know that it looks a bit orange now on camera. I don't know why it always do that, but it will settle down into my skin. This is the foundation blended onto my skin. I'm going to go ahead and contour and highlight using my concealers. I'm using the LA Girl Pro concealers. Alright, so I'm not going to be extra with this. I'm just going to use a little bit, just to brighten up under my eyes, because I've already put some foundation under my eyes, and so I don't need a lot of coverage, just to brighten. Alright, just a little, just a little bit of brightening under there. Just a little bit, alright? Alright, so now I'm going to set the concealer under my eyes using the same setting powder, the Laura Mercier setting powder. And this will also help to brighten up under my eyes as well. So I'm just pushing that into the skin. And you guys, this won't take long at all. So if you're in a rush, you can do this. Like, it takes about 15 minutes to do, to be honest. When I'm not recording, that is. So I'm gonna set all the areas that I would usually highlight just to brighten up those areas a bit. And we still have our brows to do. Alright you guys, so I'm going to contour my face now. And it's not going to be an extreme contour, just something very, you know, just to put back some color in our skin. Yeah, because right now it kind of look two-dimensional. I want it to look three-dimensional, okay? So I'm going to go in and contour with my LA Girl Pro Contour Powder. It looks like this, and from from the looks of this girl, you know I have been using this odd. I have been using this a lot. See, this one finished now. Yeah. I'm gonna take my MAC Studio Fix foundation powder, and I'm just going to set all over my face and go over the contour so it's not that bright, and set everywhere where I didn't set before. So this is what the face is looking like so far. We're going to go in now with the brows and the eyes, and then we do the lips, and then we're through. Yeah. Alright, so for brows, I want my brows to last me the entire day. Like, the entire day. So I'm going in with this. This is my Inglot gel liner in number 90. And you guys, this product for your brows will last you like 2 days. No joke. Try it. It will last you 2 whole days. Like, you wash your face with soap and water and your brows are still set. That's how good this thing is. So this is what I'll be using. My brows are on. I'm going to go ahead and highlight my brows, like underneath my brows, just to give it some depth, just to give it some highlight. Okay, more depth. I'm going to highlight under here. And as you guys can see, that's a very light highlight. I don't want it to be too bright. Alright you guys, so the eyebrows are done. So I'm going to go ahead now and do my eyes. All I'm going to do for my eyes is just use this liquid eyeliner and just do a very small wing on my eyelids. And I'm going to take my eyeliner from LA Girl, this one, the glide on pencil, and I'm going to just run it along my lower lashes. And then lastly for my eyes, I'm going to take my mascara and just apply that on my top lashes and my bottom lashes. Guys, so now I'm going to do my lips, and I'm using this Colourpop pencil that is always out of stock. Yes, Colourpop. It's called Pitch. Alright, so then I'm going to be using a liquid lipstick because it lasts longer. This one is from Beauty Creations. Looks like this. It's like a peachy pink color. And I'm just going to take some of that and just dab it on my lips. Alright guys, so we're almost through. So the last thing that we'll be doing is our highlighter, just because I mean you need it. I'm going to apply my highlighter, which is the Milani Baked Bronzer, because I don't want it to be too bright. This is in the shade Glow, 04 Glow. Just a little. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like the video. It's very natural and neutral and glowy. Yes girl, definitely for church, work or school. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you made it this far in the video, thank you girl for sticking it out with me. And of course I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.